Hello everyone. My website is on online courses. This is the landing page of the website. It uses the neo bar, which is common in all the pages. The neo bar has multiple hover effects and drop down menus. Uh, it shows all the pages which are there in the website. For example, in if you go to the courses option and you hover over there, so we can see a drop down menu with courses with grid layout, list of courses with sidebar, courses full with courses, and course detail page, find instructor page, instructor detail page, and user dashboards, profile course, the courses of users, ordered courses, saved courses, etc. There are many pages in this website, and then we have two options: sign in and sign up. If we click on it, we get a pop-up and a form in it. This pop-up is created using the JavaScript and CSS, and it also uses JavaScript validation. The user can log in with their credentials here. So coming a little down from the main hero of the site, so uh, we have some uh, titles here, like one like plus online courses and expert instructors, lifetime access. Then we have a hot or popular category. This section shows the popular courses which are there in the site. This is made using a bootstrapped column layout. So we can see there are three columns here, and if we go in responsive side, so we can see that this column changes to 3 to 1. So this is a responsive column. Then we have recent courses by instructors. These are the courses which are recently posted by our instructors. So here we can see a container. There are six containers in this main page. So it has multiple elements like course image, then price tag, then the title of the course, then course views, like lecture views, then runtime. Like this course has 6 hour 40 minute of runtime, and the review of the course. We also have the number of lectures there which are there in the course, and the course instructor with his photo, his or her photo. Then coming down, we have something like about us here. So this is depicting like what is our aim and about the education for you. It also shows the number of active courses on the website, and number of active learners on the website, and number of free courses which are there on the website. And we have multiple buttons, as you might have noticed, which gives multiple animations on hovering over there them. For example, this is changing the color, and we also had one over here. It was like both are reversed, and this sign in and sign up buttons. Then we have this famous instructors in your city module, which is a carousel. Uh, it is a jQuery and JavaScript based slider which shows the instructor name, photo, and their social media accounts, and the subject which they are expert in. And then we have some blogs or story sections which shows the latest blogs with their title image and the title and the writer's name. Then we have another slider which shows that our alumni are working in this top MNCs. This is also jQuery and JavaScript based slider. Then we have a small form, newsletter subscription form, through which one can join to newsletter and get updates regarding the education for you website. Then we have the footer, in which there is a footer navigation also. So you can see these new categories: navigation, help, and support. And if we go to any courses, for example, if we go here, so we have a simple interface uh, with a image, and we can also play a video here, which can be a teaser of the course. Then we have the duration of the course, number of enrolled students, lectures in the course, videos in the course, and level of the course. Then we have course overview here. Then we have the requirements which are required to enroll in the course. Then we have the curriculum, which is a step-by-step curriculum, like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. And in it we have the lectures. It also shows that this lecture is blocked for you as you have not completed the previous lectures, etc. Then we have the rating area, and then the experts or teachers profile. And if there are any reviews, then the reviewers profiles and their reviews. Then we have a submit review form. If you fill this form, then we will get these entries just like this one, and then this review percentage can also change based on the reviews. Then we have course features here also, like how many students are involved, how many lectures, quizzes, hours, etc. And this is the enroll option, and the price of the course. uh, then we can go to other options, like list with slide bar, so it shows the courses with slide bar like this here, a course category, instructors, etc. Then uh, we can also move to multiple options like full width courses, just like we saw in the home page. Then we have other pages like user dashboard, which shows the complete user dashboard. It also shows that these courses are in progress, or you have paid this amount of fees, or the pending fees, or if you want to cancel something, or if you want to view something. It also shows the notifications. And then you have user profile, and the courses which you are continuing watching. This also uses the JavaScript and jQuery. Then we have the new courses here. Uh, this also has the automatic features of playing videos, like included iframes. Then we have the saved courses tab, which shows that these courses are saved by the user. It shows everything about the course. It also shows the uh, completion bar, which also uses Angular. So this is also one of the features of this tab. Then we have about us tab. It is also the same this about the education for you platform, and our top instructors and our reviews. And then we have blog. It's taking a little time, so we can go to blog details as well. So here is a basic blog in which we have main image, then categories, then the content of the blog. Then we also have a uh, blog code, and we have codes related to it. And then we also have review for it or comments for it. And uh, we also have shopping pages. For example, if we have to do some shopping, we have to buy some courses, so we can see here it is a course, and we can see the price. We can add it to cart, or and it is also a JavaScript based, so whenever we will add to cart, it will show us. Then we have descriptions. Here we have added some IDs, so that on the same thing it will show. If we will click on different things, it will show about it. So custom details it shows us, or reviews it shows us. For example, here there are no reviews, and the description, and then other things like new products, it will show here. It also uses JavaScript cards, wish list, or other things if you try. uh, then we also have a 404 page. It also shows that there is no page like that. Then we have contact page. uh, it uses a form, which all the forms in this are JavaScript, using JavaScript validations. Then we have some contact details. uh, then we also have a register page. Here I added both the forms, sign in and sign up. So if sign in form is the same as this one, and sign up form is for new users, and that is pretty much all about the project. And other things can be seen in the full demo, which is provided on GitHub, and the link of the same is shared in the report. Thank you very much.